So we are adding a part to an invoice and the inventory is found to be wrong. Maybe the customer is sitting here with a part in their hand and the system is telling us that we don't have any of them, or vice versa. The system is telling us that we do have them, but we can't find them. And so the question is, what do we do in this situation? And Lizzy has a very simple method for dealing with this problem. So right now I'm going to go ahead and choose this item that you can see has none in stock. And we're going to go ahead and add it to the invoice just like we normally would. The system is going to tell us that we need to order the part. And I know that I have an inventory problem. The customer has one in his hand. I don't need to order the part. I need to just adjust the inventory so that I can quickly take care of this customer. So to do that, all we're going to do is click the red button here for making this adjustment. We're going to click it. The system is going to tell us to enter how many of them we actually have. So right now we have one on the invoice. The system defaults to putting one up there because it's assuming that because I clicked the red button that I must have some of these in stock. And so all I'm going to do is click the OK button, and you'll notice the system will take that item out of, or it will add the item to inventory, take it off of whatever order it was going to get put on, and sell it as if we had clicked the green button and everything is fine. The customer has it in their hand. Now, one note about this is that this is not adjusting inventory. So as an example, if I go back to the bin and I see that there's 5 of them in the bin, and I come back in here and I tell it that I want to put 5 of them in for this adjustment, the system isn't going to adjust the item, the inventory for the item. It's only going to adjust what I need on this invoice, which in this case was 1. So it will ignore the 5 I put in and only adjust it for 1 in order to take care of this discrepancy. Now, in addition to adjusting that part into inventory, you'll also notice that it has flagged the adjustment so that we can see it on a report to make sure that we go and research why this thing was adjusted out and what the problem was. So all of the necessary back-end processes are handled when we click this button, but it is an easy way to get the inventory adjusted properly so that we can make the customer happy and get the sale taken care of.